Hey guys, there's three things on Canvas today. This is the new-ish thing. Evaluating on quadrilaterals, on four-sided shapes. So the key thing to know is when you're finding the angle to plug in the x value. If you have an angle measure or an angle named, right, the middle letter is where the angle is. Okay, so that's really what you're looking at. So on number one, you're finding UWX, and W is going to be where the angle is. So I suggest that you just trace all three letters. So U, W, X, and whichever one is in the corner that you trace, that's the angle that you need to plug it in. So this one right here. So 85x. So it says if x equals 5, find that angle. So just plug in 5 for x. So 85 times 5, and I don't know, I think it's 425. Okay, and that's it. And go to the second one. You got find YWV. W is the angle that you're looking for. So YW, V. So this one right here is my angle. Okay. So if x equals 5, find the angle. So 4, instead of 4x minus 4, it's 4 times 5 minus 4. And so just follow PEMDAS, right? And you get 16. Okay? So finish the page there. And then the other two links are stuff we've done. This is what we did yesterday. So just do problems that have two triangles separated. So like number 3, you're looking for side, side, side. Okay? So remember to mark or label what you have. I have two sides, so I'm going to cross off two of them. So I'm looking for another side, obviously. And so the only other side of the triangle here is KM. So I got KM is congruent to, and match up this one, DB. Okay. If you go to number 4, right, I have two sides, so I'm going to cross those out. And I'm looking for an angle, and the angle needs to be in between the two sides. So we're looking what corner, LJ or K. It's going to be corner K because that is in between the two sides. Whoops. Okay. So I got angle K is congruent to angle, which one matches up in the other triangle, angle T. So remember, when you're doing this, just focus on one triangle until the end. Okay. And then the last link is proportions in GCF. We've done this before. All right, it's just cross multiplying, making your butterfly. Yes, I am making a butterfly. Okay? So when you multiply, right? So 6 times n is 6n. 4 times 3 is 12. And then you divide by whatever's with the variable. So 6. And you get 2. Okay? The problem, like number 4. Okay, you're still cross multiplying, but put parentheses around that one, because that'll help you with the multiplying. So 14 times 5 is 70, and then 10 times p minus 1. Now you distribute, right? So 70 equals 10p minus 10. And then it's a two-step problem. So add 10. So you get 80, not 18. 80 equals 10p, and divide by 10. So p equals 8. Okay? And then down here, you're looking for what number is going to go into both numbers. So start with the smallest number. Can 9 go into 27? It turns out yes. So I'm going to take that out. I'm going to put that in front of the parentheses. And then whatever's left, after I divide, I put inside the parentheses. So 9 divided by 9 is 1. And then bring the x with plus 27 divided by 9 is 3. And I'm done. Okay, do that the same for the ones with 3 terms. So look at the small number. We got 6. Can 6 go into 12? Yes, but it cannot go into 14. So break it down. The next highest number that can go into 6 is 3. So 3 can go into 12, but it can't go into 14. So the next highest number that can go into 6 is 2. And 2 can go into both of these other terms as well. So I'm going to divide out a 2. Put that in front of the parentheses. And then I have a couple of pluses. So 12 divided by 2 is 6. 14 divided by 2 is 7. Bring the m to the third with. And then 6 divided by 2 is 3. Bring the m to the fourth. And you are done. Okay? Good luck. And I